Welcome to our guide on the 10 most walkable cities in California in 2024. If you love exploring cities on foot, this video is for you. From vibrant downtown areas to scenic waterfronts, these cities offer the best pedestrian-friendly experiences. Let's get started. Starting off our list is San Francisco, known for its iconic landmarks and vibrant neighborhoods. The city's compact layout and extensive public transportation make it easy to explore on foot. Visit Fisherman's Wharf, Union Square, and the historic neighborhoods of Chinatown and North Beach. Don't forget to walk across the Golden Gate Bridge for breathtaking views. San Francisco's unique charm and walkability make it a top destination. Next up is Santa Monica, a coastal city with a bustling downtown and scenic beach paths. The Santa Monica Pier, 3rd Street Promenade, and Palisades Park are all within walking distance, offering plenty of attractions and activities. The city's pedestrian-friendly streets and beautiful weather make it a great place to explore on foot. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and stunning coastline of Santa Monica. Berkeley is known for its eclectic culture and vibrant art scene. The city's compact size and extensive network of pedestrian paths make it highly walkable. Explore the University of California campus, Telegraph Avenue, and the Gourmet Ghetto. Berkeley's rich history and diverse neighborhoods offer a unique walking experience. Berkeley's walkable streets and cultural richness make it a must-visit. Pasadena offers a blend of historic charm and modern amenities with a highly walkable downtown area. Old Pasadena is a pedestrian-friendly district with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. The city also features beautiful parks and historic sites like the Pasadena Playhouse and the Gamble House. Discover the historic and modern attractions of walkable Pasadena. Long Beach combines urban energy with coastal beauty, making it one of the most walkable cities in California. The downtown area, Shoreline Village, and the Long Beach waterfront are all pedestrian-friendly. Enjoy the Aquarium of the Pacific, the Queen Mary, and the scenic beach paths along the coast. Long Beach's vibrant waterfront and urban walkability make it a top spot. San Diego offers diverse neighborhoods and beautiful weather, perfect for walking. Explore the historic Gaslamp Quarter, Balboa Park, and Little Italy. The city's extensive network of pedestrian paths and waterfront promenades make it easy to discover all that San Diego has to offer. San Diego's mix of history, culture, and walkability is hard to beat. San Luis Obispo, often referred to as SLO, is a charming city with a laid-back vibe and a highly walkable downtown. Visit the famous Bubblegum Alley, Mission San Luis Obispo, and the vibrant farmers market. The city's compact size and friendly atmosphere make it perfect for exploring on foot. Experience the charm and walkability of San Luis Obispo. Santa Barbara is known for its Mediterranean-style architecture and beautiful coastal views. The downtown area, with its pedestrian-friendly streets, offers numerous shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Walk along State Street, visit the Santa Barbara Mission, and enjoy the scenic waterfront at Stearns Wharf. Santa Barbara's picturesque streets and coastal beauty make it a walking paradise. Palo Alto combines Silicon Valley innovation with a charming, walkable downtown. University Avenue is lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants, making it perfect for a leisurely stroll. Visit the Stanford University campus and enjoy the city's many parks and green spaces. Explore the blend of innovation and charm in walkable Palo Alto. Rounding out our list is Sacramento, the state capital with a rich history and vibrant downtown. Explore Old Sacramento's historic district, the state capitol building, and the beautiful riverfront. The city's flat terrain and extensive bike and pedestrian paths make it easy to navigate on foot. Sacramento's historic charm and walkable streets make it a must-visit city. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 10 most walkable cities in California in 2024. We hope you found some inspiration for your next urban adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. See you in our next video.